Hello, I'm the project manager. We're here to start the transformation.
Oh, I didn't expect you so soon. It's good to see you.
We're here to help rebuild, don't you worry.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
The structural integrity is compromised here.
Yeah.
We need to reinforce the main beams. I've got the measurements, we can start the calculations.
Be careful on that roof.
We're mapping the foundation with the laser. It looks stable.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Looks solid. Okay, let's start with this section. We'll need to adjust the beam placement here.
I agree, that's what I measured.
Look at this. The porch will be right here, just like you wanted.
Oh, it's beautiful. More than I ever dreamed.
Looks perfect.
We made sure to pack this carefully for you.
Thank you so much. You are all very kind.
We'll put this here, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is everything all right? Yes, it's time. All right, let's focus on securing the perimeter first.
Got it.
And we'll use those materials here. The measurements align perfectly with the original schematics. Good. The structural integrity is confirmed. Yes, we're good to proceed. All right, gently now.
Clear.
Check the beams here. We need to reinforce that corner before the next section.
Understood.
Looks good, ma'am. We're making excellent progress. Keep sweeping. Clear that pile.
Almost done.
Nice work, everyone. The perimeter is set. Let's mark the corners. Looks solid.
Approved.
Adjust the laser, please. Perfect. Excellent work, everyone. We are right on schedule.
It looks so sturdy, just as I imagined. Thank you.
The level looks perfect. It's coming along beautifully. Almost done, Mamacita. Good progress today. Yes, we're right on schedule. Look at it go, amazing work. Keep the line tight. Level looks good. Fantastic job, everyone. Thank you so much. Walls are up. Check the columns. Looks good. Let's start the roof. Agreed. Keep it moving. Look at the progress. We're on schedule. It's more beautiful than I imagined. Thank you. Measure that beam.
Check.
Secure the rebar.
Right.
Approved. Begin pouring.
The framing looks solid.
Just a few more connections.
Let's review the final checks.
Looks perfect. All right, let's keep moving. Almost there. Now for the membrane. Looking good.
The roof is finished, Grandmother. It's beautiful, dear. We'll start the interior next week.
All right, window sets. Sealant, quickly. Front door's ready, lift it up. Checking the alignment now. Done with the back, tidying up. Keep pushing, guys, we're on schedule. Got it, boss, moving to the bathroom. Wiring's almost finished. Look at all this progress.
Oh my, that is wonderful.
We're almost done with this section.
Absolutely incredible.
Keep it moving. Looking good here.
Needs a touch up there.
Nice work, team. We're approved. The primer looks great. We're ready for the finish coat.
Wonderful, it's just what I envisioned.
We'll start tomorrow. The finish looks perfect.
Yes, very smooth.
Excellent work, team.
Keep going. The level looks good. This plank needs a bit more glue. Check the edges in the bathroom, quickly.
Looks like everything's aligned perfectly.
Yeah.
The sink is secure. Let's get the appliances in. Wonderful, you've done a great job. Almost done.
Done.
Yes, connecting the last pipe.
Looks good, let's test.
Water pressure is perfect.
Excellent work.
It's beautiful, thank you.
It's beautiful. Everything is up to code. It's ready.
Almost there. Perfect. What do you think, Maria? Oh, it's just so beautiful. The flowers are lovely, aren't they? Yes, everything is perfect. Thank you so much.
Excellent job. Every surface is spotless.
Thank you, sir.
Looks great.
Oh, it's just so beautiful. Thank you all so much.
Here are your keys, ma'am.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my, is this real? It is, Grandma. We wanted to do this for you. Thank you all so much.
It was our honor, Grandmother.
Ah, the smell of fresh bread and morning tea. Just like the old days.
I never thought I'd find a place like this, so full of peace and life. It truly feels like home. Look at this. It's truly a miracle. We've come so far. It's beautiful, isn't it? Everything is new and perfect. Oh, I remember this day. It feels like just yesterday. Look how young we all were.
Morning, friends. Welcome. It's so lovely to see you. We brought you some fresh vegetables from our garden. Your flowers are looking more beautiful than ever, Maria.
The renovation is complete, Grandma. Oh, it's more beautiful than I could have imagined.
I'm so glad you like it.
Thank you, truly. It's perfect.